like it.
Pretty nice, ain't it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Rubicon.
It doesn't even look like it has really framework. Just maybe need to pull that out and replace it.
Yeah.
Just to make sure that dang, that's nice. Hey man, we gonna get it about as high as you are right now.
Y'all gonna have a hard time.
You want to use the red Powerade, because if you use any other kind of Powerade, it's just not going to work. ladies and gentlemen, here she is, all completed and looking mighty fine, I must say. Man, this thing turned out absolutely amazing. Could not be happier with the end result on this Jeep. Looks amazing. I mean, it just, I don't know. I'm speechless. I'm speechless.
I think Vitaly's gonna be really happy once he gets this thing.
Yes, I think he will be very happy because this thing is not too aggressive. It doesn't have too many aftermarket crazy mods, but it's still not stock. You know, it's got the 3-inch lift. It's got them 33s sitting on some fuels. You know, got that rough country bumper, full rough country suspension. Obviously, if you look up under here, you'll see the steering stabilizer there. Very nice, very beautiful machine, I gotta say. Let's take it off-road.
Let's do it, but that's gonna be for the next video when we do a price breakdown.
Yes, we will be doing a price breakdown, and what I'm thinking, we can probably take it off-road, maybe with Goon Squad and Vitaly, and we'll do a price breakdown out there, you know, make it kind of interesting. I can tell you that the amount of money that he has in this Jeep, there is no way that you will be able to buy this Jeep for this kind of money. There's just no way. You'll have to pay a lot more than what he has in this thing. I think he's got completed after our bill. He has what the Insurance Auto Auctions was asking for when he won it. So he won it for a much lower price, and then the price that they were coming back, they were countering with him on, it's basically what he ended up being in the Jeep.
Yes, that's
maybe
really
a little
exciting.
bit more. So yeah, I'm sure he's going to be super excited about that. But yeah, man, I'm very happy. This makes me want to buy a TJ, or even a JK. I kind of miss the wheelies, you know.
Right,
the thing sold way too fast. I didn't even have time to enjoy that thing. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you guys want to see how much this thing costs and see us go off-roading with the Goon Squad boys, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to smash that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.